Imagine you have to make a presentation to the management committee and you really want your project to be approved. The secretary offers you 2 slots to make your presentation. Either you go first or you go last. Which one will you choose? My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Back to the decision on what to do with the management committee, you probably heard about decision fatigue, that the ability to make decisions gets worse as the time goes by. So you may come up with the recommendation of going first in front of the management committee. Well, that's quite the reverse. I will actually suggest you to go last for a number of reasons. The first one is for the first presentation. As management is fresh and full of energy, they are likely to ask more questions and to go into more details. And the more you go into details, the more likely you are to find differences among the parties. As you go later, you may also benefit from the yes set, which means that if they approve the first project, they approve the second project, they are 39% more likely to approve also the third project. By the way, you should be aware that there is also a no set. So if they rejected the first project, they rejected the second project, they are 44% more likely to reject also the third project. Now, if you feel that the ambience is negative and you are last, you may still say, well, the discussion on my project requires more time than the one which is available. I prefer that we discuss it at the next management committee. And another key message that you want to remember is that people acceptance widens as the time goes by into the meeting. So what does this mean? Let me give you a real life example. For instance, the International Olympic Committee was faced with a challenge for a number of times. In the ice skating competition, the people that tended to go towards the end were winning, and the one that went at the beginning was struggling to win. Because at the beginning, the judges will never give a damn. Now, the problem has been solved through the rotation of judges, but the message that I want you to retain is, if you want to make a presentation to the management and you want to get it approved, go last. If you're making a presentation to a customer and there are different suppliers, be the last one. If you're going for a job interview, go last. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website, www.cabl.ch. Thank you.